Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve an exponential function equation. The equation is 4 to the power x equals 3 plus 18 times 4 to the power negative x. We can solve this exponential function equation by changing it into a quadratic equation using substitution method. We have to find the value of x, the variable in this equation. In the term 4 to the power negative x, the exponent is negative. The first step is to change this negative exponent into a positive exponent. We should move the 4 to the denominator. The first step is next we should do substitution for 4 to the power x. Let 4 to the power x be equal to y. We should replace 4 to the power x with y in this equation. We can get rid of the y in the denominator by multiplying each term in this equation by y. On the left side, y times y is equal to y square. 3 times y is 3y. And in the next term, the y's get cancelled out because one of them is in the numerator, the other one is in the denominator. This is a quadratic equation. In order to solve this equation, we should set it equal to 0. We should move 3y to the left side of the equation. It will become negative 3y. And then we should move 18 to the left side of the equation and it will change to negative 18. We can factor this equation using simple trinomial factoring. We have to find two numbers whose sum is negative 3, the coefficient of y term, and product is negative 18. We can find the two numbers by focusing on the product number. We have to think of two numbers that multiply to negative 18. The first pair of numbers that comes to my mind is negative 1 and 18. But we cannot get a sum of negative 3 from negative 1 and 18. So this pair is out. The next pair that comes to my mind is negative 2 and 9. But we cannot get a sum of negative 3 from negative 2 and 9. So this pair is out. The next pair that comes to my mind is negative 3 and 6. Negative 3 plus 6 is equal to 3. But we are looking for a sum of negative 3. So we should switch the signs on these two numbers. Negative 3 becomes positive 3 and 6 becomes negative 6. So the numbers are 3 and negative 6. We can use these two numbers to write the quadratic equation in factored form. Now we can solve this equation by setting the two factors equal to 0 and solving for y. The first solution is negative 3. The second solution is 6. Now we have to use these two y values to find the x values because the variable in the given equation is x. We did the substitution, let 4 to the power x equals y. Now we have to replace y with 4 to the power x to find the value of x. The first case is 4 to the power x equals -3. This equation has no solution because for no value of x will 4 to the power x be equal to a negative number. So this case gives us no solution. Now we can analyze the second y value. We have to solve for x, which is the exponent on 4. We can move x down from the exponent level by changing this exponential form into log form. The base of the x is 4. We can move 4 to the right side of the equation and make it the base of log 6. We can simplify this log term using change of base formula. Now we can evaluate this fraction. Log 6 over log 4 is equal to 1.29 rounded to 2 decimal places. This is the solution of the given exponential function equation. So the given exponential function equation has just one solution, 1.29 rounded to 2 decimal places. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.